The next generation Apple Watch is coming and will presumably be called the Apple Watch Series 8, but there's also another Apple Watch on the horizon for this year. That's right, rumors have been running rampant for months now about a new Apple Watch Pro. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has pointed out that the new, larger Apple Watch model scheduled to launch this year will feature a casing made up of a more durable formulation of titanium to make it extra rugged. Apple has actually been offering the titanium version of the Apple Watch since 2019 under the Apple Watch Edition brand, but it looks like this will now be considered the Apple Watch Pro. Now, the hope is to make it more durable and better able to hold up to abuse, with the device targeted towards athletes, hikers, and others who expose their watches to more extreme conditions. There's a lot more to the Apple Watch Pro, however, than just a titanium casing and more durability. In fact, the Apple Watch Pro is expected to offer the first true redesign since the Series 4. Rumors have pointed to this year's high-end Apple Watch model being bigger than the current models, so much so that it might actually appeal to a subset of customers who are looking for a bigger watch, and is expected to feature a display that's 7% larger. The display is also expected to measure in at 2 inches diagonally, which will provide that 7% more screen area than the 1.9-inch diagonal screen size of the 45mm Apple Watch Series 7 and the Series 8, as that device will feature the same casing as the Series 7. It's also said to feature a display resolution of 410 by 502 pixels, and the extra display area could potentially be used to display extra fitness metrics on a single screen. There have been rumors of a flatter Apple Watch for quite some time now, but that watch is expected to evolve off of the current rectangular shape. Earlier in the year, the flat edge design rumors picked back up again, but it appears as though that kind of cooled off a little bit in that department, so it will be interesting to see how big of a redesign we actually get when it comes to the display and the casing. Since the Apple Watch Pro is expected to be a bit bigger, it only makes more sense that Apple finally accommodates a bigger battery as well. Alongside a new low power mode for the Series 8 models, the Apple Watch Pro very well could last for multiple days before needing to be recharged, which could be a huge feature for those who like to wear their watches when sleeping for that sleep tracking metric and just want to charge their watches less in general. As far as health features go, it actually seems as if the Apple Watch Series 8 and the Apple Watch Pro will have all of the same features that are rumored to be coming later this year. So the Apple Watch Series 8 models are rumored to be gaining a temperature sensor that will allow them to be able to determine whether a user has a higher than normal body temperature. The temperature sensor is unlikely to feature an exact temperature reading, but it will be able to show fluctuations. Now, because the Apple Watch will be using skin temperature, it will not be as accurate as a thermometer that is able to monitor core body temperatures. At launch, Apple is likely to use this for fertility planning and monitoring. There have also been rumors about the iPhone 14 getting a new car crash detection feature that would use the accelerometer to detect whether a car crash has actually happened. And if or when that car crash is detected, the Apple Watch could automatically call emergency services for you. There have also been other health features rumored recently, like blood pressure monitoring or blood glucose, but those features aren't expected until at least 2025 or beyond. Now, for those wondering about the price, with a larger body, titanium casing, and just overall more of a premium design, the Apple Watch Pro will not be cheap. It is expected to be priced around $900 to $999, which would make it more expensive than the current titanium Apple Watch Edition, which is available for $849. Apple will sell the Apple Watch Pro alongside the Apple Watch Series 8, which is expected to retain the same price points as the Series 7. It's really not clear yet if the Apple Watch Pro will be replacing the current Apple Watch Edition, though it just makes more sense for Apple to do that, which are both made from titanium anyways, and so there could be a lot of confusion, so it just makes sense to get rid of the Edition and replace it with the Apple Watch Pro. But of course, I would love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.